Matteo, what are the most important things about making a pizza?
Well, the quality of the ingredients is the most important thing. You need a flour which is strong, and there is an index which is W, which is at least 260 to 280. It's a strong flour because it will make the pizza more crispy. Extra virgin olive oil, better if it's fresh and local.
Good man.
Yeast, this is just fresh yeast, so very simple. And the other thing is the order that you use. It has to be followed like a rule.
Okay.
So it's
in other words, you need first things first.
Yeah.
And what's the rule?
Well, the point that you want to achieve is to put the salt as late as possible, because it doesn't help the yeast. So you put the yeast and water first, then you put the flour. Then when the structure is basically made, then you put the salt. If you've seen, I've put the salt on the table, and you just get, the dough will get whatever it takes.
Yeah. And how long are you going to carry on this kneading for?
Well, I'm nearly done with this one. It's just when it's elastic and it doesn't break easily, basically. So that the structure is actually good at the moment.
Happy? Finished? Next?
Yeah, that's for tomorrow.
Next bit?
Tomorrow.
Light the fire.
Yeah.
It's around about 4 o'clock, 20 past 4, something like that. We're expecting to eat pizza tonight round about, well, let's say between 8 and 8:30. So I'm giving it about 4 hours to heat up. So what's going on there is that we're trying to heat the base, because the most common error you get with a wood-fired oven, if you don't use it all of the time, is that the base isn't hot enough to cook the base of the pizza. The dough then has been in the fridge for about 24 hours now, something like that. So just brought it out. We'll be cooking in about an hour. Here it is.
mozzarella di bufala e pomodorini.
Praticamente ci ho messo tutto quel che c'è, come dicevo io.
I kind of guess it's a bit like barbecuing, but with a bit more effort, dare I say. I.e., you've got to start 24 hours beforehand. This is absolutely delicious. Cooked underneath as well now, finally. Just delicious.